Welcome. Everyone is a LENOVO Tab E7, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. And to get started, you want to open up Settings. From here, go to Network and Internet. Choose Hotspot and Tethering. And in here, you'll have the LAN hotspot. And from here, you can simply customize it. So we have set up LAN hotspot right over here, which will allow us to change the password. You can also tap on the show password to view the one that is set by default, but honestly it's just some randomly generated trash, so it's easier just to remove it and set your own. So let's try that again. There we go. Now it does need to have 8 characters in length. From here, we only have the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi option, and also one other setting that we can change is the network name. This is just going to be the visible Wi-Fi name. So by default, it's always going to be the name of the device, but you can change it if you wanted to. Now from here, at the bottom, you have one last option, which allows you to set how many users can connect to your hotspot at a given moment. Now it's set by default to 6, but you can change it to something more reasonable, 3, 2, or 1. And from there, once you have everything set, make sure you tap on Save. And all you need to do now is click on the checkbox right here to turn it on. And there we go. Hotspot is right now enabled, which you can also see it in the notification panel right over here. So it will give you information on how many people are connected. And also, if you are blocking someone, it will show you that you are blocking and the amount of people. Now also, when you enable this for the first time, after that you will find a toggle in your notification panel right here, and it kind of automatically just finds a way to your notification, so you can now turn it on and off automatically from here if you wanted to. So that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.